Let's talk about the big question. Why are the big three so much more expensive than the foreign carts?
Quality. This is an excellent time to explore this concept as I have an ezgo and a foreign knockoff here in the Arkham garage today. Now, here's the fun part. Both of these carts are kept within the same distance from the ocean as one another. They both reside underneath a condo, exposed outside, but underneath a condo within walking distance of the ocean. The surprise is the black one in the back, the foreign knockoff, is a 2015 model, whereas the white ezgo here is a 2002 model. Maybe there are a few knockoffs made of higher quality, but I've yet to run across any on par with the big three. Even if they brag of some extra rust preventative measure, the quality of the welds throughout the chassis on the foreign carts could have been made better by a blind dolphin. Be careful when shopping around. Often these brands will lose dealer support and you're stuck with a very expensive pile of rust.